Okay, so it's us again, right? Yeah. Now this morning we're filming this because this is part of our therapy. So this morning I just said to John, just now, let's do a radio reading, right? So we put on "Knocking on Heaven's Door." Up comes Guns N' Roses, "Knocking on Heaven's Door." It's probably still on. Let's see. On Heaven's Door. Yeah, we all know it. So I was like to John, oh, yeah, what else is fucking new? Ain't we all? And the way that came out of my mouth was just like, and John's like kind of raised his eyebrows. And I said, am I negative, John? Am I a negative person? First of all, I want you to look at that beam that's coming down from that moon up there. I'm noticing that it is quite astounding. We are not doing anything. This camera is picking that up. You don't see it in the room. You just see it on the camera, and it's amazing. Yeah. Love it. Yeah. You feel that going into your brain? I do. I feel that. So go ahead. So I said, am I negative, John? I'm the negative one of us, aren't I? Of the twin flame pair. I said, I'm the least trusting, Lena. I really am, though. I tend to think more negatively than you do, I think. So John said, film this. All right. So go ahead. It's on you. No, it's not. I want to know what you're bringing to the table here. What are you trying to say? You saying that you're agreeing with me? I said, I believe you remember. I want to hear it again. Just say it really clearly right now. I love you. Yes, I love you too. And you don't believe I love you. I do believe you love me. What are you talking about? I am given evidence on a regular basis that you don't believe that I love you the way I love you. And it's very frustrating. All right, well, take it easy, pal, and get over it. I have a lot of shit going on, and, I take a lot of shit from people, and I'm fucking, I don't know. I'm sorry, John. So there I am being negative again, right? Right, but there's a problem now with this. Oh, I know what you're going to say. You're insane. Yeah, I'm so attracted to you when you're negative. Really? Yeah. The positive and the negative, I tell you. I am so insanely attracted to you when you are at your most disgusting bitch way. Which, when it drives me crazy. It's the best thing in the world. Freddie's here. Hi, Freddie. How you doing, honey? All right. Freddie Mercury. Do I need to announce this guy? Lena, I've told you from the beginning the way he is. I know. You have always said, Lena, you don't know what you mean to him. And whenever I do talk to Freddie, I feel like, this is actually happening. Is that wrong to say? Not at all, says Fred. Isn't she amazing, Fred? She's something. Wow, look at me go. Yeah, see that little moonbeam coming down on your head? This film is proving to be quite interesting, John. Yeah. I hope, I think it will come out if you do it just with the regular photo shoot. Yeah, after we film this, I'm going to get a shot of this, because this is crazy. The way this beam is fucking beaming. Beam on you for a while. I'm getting a headache. Yeah. That you like that? Yeah, I love it. He does. When I fight with him, he gets this happy look on his face that he's just insane. But I'm so used to it now that it's just like, there he is, the grinning fool. Grinning at me all day. And as a matter of fact, honey, remember we got the fool yesterday? Yep. We did a private reading, and I said, wonder who could this be, the fool? You're putting it back on me. Put it on the dogs. Woof, 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 woof. Hi, Herman in L.A. I know you kids are right here with me. I know you all are. So I says to John, I don't know. How is this trip? Where is this trip going? Is this like, do I have a right to be this? Oh, excuse me. Negative all the time. Here I am with you. My God, the man, really, literally the man of my dreams. But then I'm just like, how is this even possible? And that creeps in. I don't mean to be negative. I don't want that to creep in on me. It's all right, Lena. The fact that you are addressing this in such a way, is like so lucid and marvelous. You're my angel. You're my dynamo. Keep it up. Thanks, Sean. You know what I just realized? What? That the beam is, because it's coming down, it's because of that mirror, Oh, all right. Okay. What am I, wrecked? Not wrecked enough. All right, so everything's cool then. I'm not a negative. I'm not overly negative. No, you're not. And I get nasty. You get nasty, right? I'm nasty. I'm Mick Nasty. Ask anyone. You really are. You can be quite nasty, but you know who's nastier than you? I know what you're gonna say, and you're right. Sean, yeah. Sean is a nasty person. But he always has a good reason for it. You think that's funny? I think you're very honest, and you're right. And we have every reason to be nasty, but really, we're supposed to be setting an example not to be so. Right? It's tough. It's tough work. Oh, you want to try? Trouble again? What? Oh, you want to do it while we're laying here on the bed with the sunbeam? Yeah, let's do it. That'll cheer me up. Are you not cheered up? I'm getting cheery every moment. All right. Da-da-da-da-da. Oh, where's my ring? Oh, shit. Oh, fucking John, if I lost this ring, I will be so sick to my stomach. Didn't lose the fucking ring. Hold on. This is one of our engagement wedding rings, titanium rainbow. I love this ring, and it spins. Isn't it beautiful? And it's the double triangles. There we go. This has been and you can't buy it at QVC. You can only look at it here. Let's go. In trouble again. God help me, I'm in trouble again. In trouble again. Well, tell me now, what did I do? I don't know. Oh, no more pretending that this love is ending. Oh, I'm in trouble again. Yeah, in trouble with you. Da, 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 da. In trouble again. Heaven help me, I'm in trouble again. In trouble again. Oh, I'm afraid that it is true, but there'd be no trouble, nope, without my double. Oh, I'm in trouble again, but we're far from blue. Some may say that all this drama's killing me. Every day's another can of worms. But believe we take this drama willingly. As long as we've got love, boy, another crazy lesson learned. No trouble again. Heaven help me, I'm in trouble again. In trouble again. It's the only way. How what's next. But we'd never sweat it. Nice work if you can get it. Oh, in trouble again. Oh, yeah, in trouble again. Oh, daddy, Trouble. A or E? E, I loves you and you loves me. We're just as happy as two can be, good Lord. We're never bored. In trouble again. Trouble again. I'm going to say it's getting better. I am just like seeing like Busby Berkeley for this number, like these kind of dance routines. Like, and the chorus line would look like a shit fucking, like a bowl of tepid tea. Is tea right even? A bowl of drain water. Drainstorm. Brainstorm. That was great, Johnny. Yeah, that was good. I know we can do it better too. Now, do you see? It's not coming from the moon anymore, right? But right, it is weird, that beam. Yeah, it's like kryptonite or something. No, it's the opposite of kryptonite. Hi, Herman. Yeah, he sounds like a robo dog. Here's Ellie's. That's definitely Ellie's vibration. Herman. They both sound nice together. All right, what's Billy? And what's Benjamin? Yeah, that sounds right. Did you people dig that? That was all the vibrations coming out of these four animals. Okay. What's Herman's again? He's coming through really strong. Let's hear what Ellie and Lula are. Are they together? We'll do them separate. Lula's fighting to get through. Yeah, I would have thought her a little more high pitched, but no, that's about right. Very insistent. Kind of erratic. Goes up and down. That's Lula. Yeah, okay, Ellie. You're Ellie. You're Girlie. You're almost the exact vibration as Girlie.